Hey, welcome back to another video, and today we got something. I'm going to get through these real quick, but this is not clickbait. This is not clickbait at all. There are a lot of opportunities out there and we need to get through them. They have to do with credit card signups. They have to do with some signups for the links down below. And the first one that I want to get into, I'm going to timestamp these so that you can look through them, see which ones apply to you, and see which ones that you can actually make money from. We are going to go through over $200 in opportunity to make money online. Yes, it sounds like a scam, but I promise by the end of this video, if you get through the whole video, you'll understand that it is not a scam. It is just it is a system hack. If you guys were here, you're not new to the channel, you have already seen the first one, but the first one is the Discover It credit card. So the first one, what we got to go through is we've got to send some money on PayPal. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we are going to send $1,457.43 to a friend. So why would we send that amount? Basically what we're doing is we're trying to get this cash back category. So during the months of July to September, Discover It credit card is offering 5% cash back on PayPal and restaurants. So PayPal and restaurants, I've got it on the screen here right now. PayPal and restaurants counts as all of the things that are listed on the screen here, including sending money to your friends. So if you send money to your friends, that counts as for that 5% back. Now, when you send money to your friends, you're going to get a little fee. I've got a little screenshot of the fee here. The fee is going to be $42.57. So that is going to take away from your profit there. Your profit's going to end up being $32.43. What that is a 2.9% fee, and that's basically going to be 2.9% fee plus 30 cents. So you're going to end up making $32 right there. You have to have a Discover It credit card, but that's not it. If you have also a Chase Freedom card, October through December, they are going to be doing the same thing. So you could do this again. So you could get another $32.43. And on top of that, if you do get the Discover It credit card, they have rotating categories. So during, I believe it's, I'll show it on the screen here right now. During this time period that I'm showing on the screen right now, you can get 5% back on groceries. So if you live near a Safeway, and I've done this before, I've verified it, I have cash back to prove it. I'll show that on the screen right now. You can go to Safeway, you order something that's say $3, and you get $60 of cash back. That's the maximum that you can go. I don't know why. You get the $60 of cash back, so you end up running up $63 on your bill. When you get 5% back on that, basically you're going to get back the $3. You're going to get back how much you spent on that, and you're going to get back another 5% if you're new to the card. So if you're new to the card, they're going to match that cash back at the end of the calendar year. So essentially you're going to get 10% back on that card, on that purchase, if you go to a Safeway and you ask for cash back $60 on the Discover It credit card. So you can essentially get all of that cash back on getting that $60 cash back, and you're basically getting free drinks or free purchases that are under a certain amount. So that is going to get you up to $75. So far we've said $32. Let's do this math here. We got $32. So far we've got 2 iterations of $32 and we've got $75. So you're gonna have to have the Chase Freedom card and the Discover It card. If you want a link to the Discover It card, I've got a link down below, and that is a $50 sign up referral bonus. So we would both get $50 if you sign up for the Discover It credit card through that link. So that's another $50. Let's tack on another $50. We've got $189 we're up already. In addition to that, I've got plenty of other links in my descriptions that I consistently post in my descriptions. I post them there because they're free money. So if you, for example, if you were to click on the Robinhood link, that will give you a free stock for signing up. We both would get a free stock. It's usually valued between $5 to $10. It could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less. But if you sign up with that link, we could just call that $10. So let's add 10 on there. We got $199 up to $199. If you sign up for M1 Finance, they're offering $20 right now. Let's add another $20. If you sign up for M1 Finance, it's a brokerage. You can buy stocks through there. Now we're at $219. If you sign up for Webull with my link, you'll get 2 free stocks. Most of the stocks that I've gotten have been valued at about $13. So let's just call that $10 more for the 2 free stocks. So you add $20 onto that, we're up to $239.86. So that is an easy way for you to get some money this Sunday. Those things can all be completed today. If you haven't already seen my video about the savings account for the HM Bradley account, it's a 3% savings account. And for all you guys, loyal fans, I enjoy you guys coming by, spreading some positive energy and You guys have been making a lot of money here on this channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
That boy is Benny Hanna.